Student, take page number 44 around the world. Answering the question. First, India hosted the annual BRICC summit in 2016 and China hosted in 2017. Name the five nations that make up BRICS. तो वो है ब्राज़ील, रसिया, इंडिया, चाइना, साउथ अफ्रीका. ओके. Number 2, in 2016, Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, David Cameron, held a countrywide vote on whether Britain should leave the European Union or not. In response to the majority public vote, the next Prime Minister of the UK, Theresa May, took step in the brilliant exit from the UE in 2017. What is the commonly used term for the UK's withdrawal from UE to Brexit? Third है Lee Hsien Loong become this country's third prime minister. In 2004, his two predecessors were Lee Kuan Yew, who was Lee Hsien Loong's grandfather, and Goh Chok Tong. Both these predecessors had very long and successful innings as prime ministers of these countries. Name this country: Singapore. Number 4, in 2015, India signed a historic land boundary agreement with this country. This agreement settles the land boundary dispute between the two countries dating back to the colonial times. Under the agreement, India transferred 111 border territories called the enclaves to these questions of citizenships for over 15,000 people living in this dispute enclaves. Name these countries: Bangladesh. Many countries worked together to locate this aircraft or its debris for almost 3 years. This was the most expensive search for an aircraft in the aviation's history. The search for it is abandoned in 2017. Name this aircraft: MH370. Pushpa Kamal Dahal, also known the Prachanda, became the Prime Minister of this country in 2016 for the second time. Name the country: नेपाल. 7th नंबर पे ऐसे ही आपको फाइंड करके 7 to 12 लिखने हैं. It is in your homework. Then cyber top पेज नंबर 46 है. Solve the criss-cross puzzle. criss-cross puzzle में भी आपको ऐसे लिखना है: The protections you get on the internet from authorized users belonging to the network. तो वो है firewall. The network that enable computers and electronic devices to connect each other without the use of wires. Wi-Fi. The co-founder of Apple, who died in 2011, Steve Jobs. 7th, Windows 10 and Mac OS 10 Sierra are the both type of this operating system desktop. 9th, the founder of the World Wide Web, Tim Berners-Lee. Yes. 10th, the final state of publications in desktop publishing before it is the printed camera ready. 11th, the missing term in the series: kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. Missing word find करना है. Now down, the biopic released in 2016, Edward Snowden, who had carried out the WikiLeaks disclosures. Snowden, the Indian company founded by N.R. Narayan Murthy and 6 others in the Pune in 1981. Infosys, the co-founder of Apple, Steve Wozniak, at the video sharing website founded by the Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and the Zaved Karim, YouTube. Yes. So आपको क्रिस क्रॉस वर्ड में ये सारे वर्ड फिलअप करने हैं. देन कम ऑन पेज नंबर 47, मूविंग ऑन वाटर. चलो वाटर में मूव करते हैं. यू मे नॉट बी फेमिलियर विथ सम ऑफ दिस क्राफ्ट्स दैट मूव on or in water, but by completing this crisscross puzzle you will get know about them. फर्स्ट से लेके 10 तक आपको कंप्लीट करना है. क्रिस क्रॉस में पहले अक्रोश वाले में बता देती हूँ आपको. दिस क्राफ्ट ट्रैवल्स ओवर लैंड और ऑन वाटर on a cushions of air trapped within its rubber skids or craft. Fifth, this is the largest and the most heavily armed battleship. This boat is used for pulling another vessel's tugboat. This ship is used to carrying a liquid in bulk tanket. This is the light sailing boat used for the racing and the pleasure of excursions yachts. This boat is fitted with a fine leak device that can lift the hull of a ship out of the water and move at the great speeds. Hydrofoil. This is the raft of two boats lying side by side. Catamaran. This is a small navy warship that travels with other ships in order to protect them. Frigate. This is a vessel that can be submerged and navigated underwater. Submarine. This is a flat-bottomed sailboat. It is a broad, has a square corner at both ends and propelled by long pole point. This is the type of a small boat which is often towed by a large vessels. Dinghy. So I hope you all understand, and you have to complete till page number 47 in general knowledge book. Okay, thank you very much.